Hey everybody, this is Melvin with Tech Running 24/7, and in today's video we want to show you how to create a custom video wallpaper for your Galaxy Fold 4. So for demonstration purposes, we do have our Galaxy Fold 4 here, and as you can see, the wallpaper on it is a lime green. And if we were to close the screen and go to the lock screen, you will see the lock screen, because there's a lock there. Lock screen is green also. And so we're going to tap on that with our fingerprint to open it up to get back to the home screen. We want to create a custom video wallpaper for the Fold 4. So the first thing we need to do is find a video we can use. Now the video needs to not be any longer than 15 seconds long. So let's go to our gallery, and we're going to go to our favorites here, and we have a couple of videos here, and the videos are 9 seconds and 11 seconds. So we're going to go with the 9-second one, and after you select it, you will be at this menu, and this is the video itself playing. Now if we were to cut the sound up on it, it would sound like and look like this. Now even though that did have sound, when we create it as wallpaper, it won't be any sound that comes with it. You would just see the video itself. And so now that we have chosen the video, we go down here to the bottom, you'll see those 3 little dots. Tap on those 3 little dots and the menu will appear, and go to where it says set as wallpaper, and then we hit set as wallpaper. And so this menu pops up to where it says lock screen or call background. So we're going to say lock screen, and then it puts us here, and it's showing you a sample of the video that's going to be on the lock screen, and you just go up here to the top and say done. And once it's done here, we're going to hit the home button here and come out of that. And now we're going to close, turn off the device for a second so we can get to the lock screen. So we can get to the lock screen. This is what it will look like, and you can tell it's the lock screen because of the lock icon there. So whenever you get ready to unlock your phone, you will see this video. So I think that works out really well, and it's something neat and unique to do. So that's it for our video for today. How to create a custom video wallpaper for your Galaxy Fold 4. So hopefully we shared something that you can use and something that was beneficial. If so, be sure to hit that subscribe button down below and hit the like button. And don't forget to hit the bell icon too, so you can be notified of new content as soon as we release it. And again, this is Melvin with Tech Running 24/7, bringing you technology that's on the move. Thanks.